Hi, welcome again. It's me, Mr. Joshua. That's what I'll be calling myself from now on. Mr. Joshua. Mr. Joshua sounds kind of nice. So, yeah, I know I may be a bit late on this topic. This Batman v Superman, which I don't have to brief you on what the film is all about. If you're really listening, you quite see it's making a lot of buzz, especially on the second trailer where people are hating on the second trailer. And again, I like to say I'm sorry for the lighting, not my fault. Never knew my camera will be this poor, but I promise you guys you'll be getting a lot of HD qualities in time to come. But now let's do what we have. So I would like to talk about the film because people they have condemned the film because of the second trailer. I myself, my excitement has dropped, but as I watched that trailer again and again, because I'm a fan, hardcore fan, I kind of envy you guys in US, because opening day I would die, I would kill to watch that film. Yes, you heard me right. Moving from that, people you don't seem to analyze that the second trailer is meant for the average American. That's what many people are just saying. Nowadays comic book fans are behaving sort of like divas. Yes, divas. You heard me right. Like some spoiled rich kids. Yes, yes, and yes. Why I say so? You guys just man, really, it's how can I say? You don't try to understand the director and something. You guys just I don't know if everybody will agree with me on this point, but when something is not the way it goes in the comics, you guys just start rattling the thing up. Yeah, I know Doomsday in the film looks like, well, in fact, many people it kind of looks like. No, my main problem with the Doomsday is the face. The bony structures in the rest. The face looks a bit dull. But you guys are just disband the film. Like I would also like to say this. I would also like to make this commentary on the Black Panther costume, where after the trailer I saw a guy who posted a video and the costume is not the same as it was in the comics, because in the costume in the one in the film is normal Black Panther. The way we know, if you are watching the animated, if you don't only stick to the comics but you watch the animated series, you know that is the way that's the way they made the costume. But you want it to be like the way it is in the comics with a cape with um teeth, animal teeth and so on. But man, give those people a break. And another thing I like to note about this film is that do not be mistaken. If that film is bad, it's going to end. I'm not in your country. I like to be honest, but I can, yes, I can say with all confidence that if the film is bad, it's not going to earn less than 500 million in Yupo's country. But internationally, whether the film is bad or good, it is crossing the 1 billion line not long after it is released. Because I don't know, I've kind of noticed that no, people are getting confused. You enter here, say, let's go for a Batman v Superman movie. I'll expect the same storytelling as they tell me in Titanic, or which other film again? Many or Shakespearean this thing mixing with all this thing. But out of there, you say no. When I'm going to a movie and the title is Batman v Superman, I want to see the senseless action. The plot doesn't care, and the rest doesn't care either. I want to see the senseless action. That's why some films that that they don't do quite well in United States do well abroad. Man of Steel is, I can say, not is quite so perfect example. They'll say the first Hitman movie that came out, I made majority of his this thing outside. Normally I watch the film now when after I've read all these articles with the critical mind, and I watch the film now and like plot doesn't make any sense or all like that. But I'm so happy as I like the film because not the first one. I'm talking of the first one, not the remake. Even a remake is quite nice. You see the blood, you see this R-rated film and so forth, henceforth and so weiter and so forth. That was German. So I'm saying that even if that film is a flop, I don't know, that film is going to be successfully financial, like hell, yeah. And if you guys hate the film, I don't know, the boss. You guys complicate things. You guys make it very, very hard to be pleased. Okay, that was all for today. I'll still come on more on this topic because I can spend like 2 hours on this topic. I'll come on more. So, see you.